In today's video, we're giving you a quick tour of our favorite Airbnb in Kigali and telling you how much it costs. And if you're interested in renting it for yourself, the link will be in the description below. We stayed in the exquisite 3-bedroom by My Place. There are 3 buildings in the complex and each one has 5 floors. This unit is on the 2nd floor, but My Place owns a few in this complex. As you walk in, you'll come into this gigantic living room. It has plenty of space for your group or family. With wall-to-wall marble floors and a super comfortable couch that'll seat 8 comfortably. Directly across from the front balcony is another apartment building. And if you look the other way, you'll get a great view of the hills. The balcony is very big and has beautiful hardwood plank tile flooring. If you come in off the balcony and go straight ahead, you'll find the kitchen. The kitchen comes complete with everything you need to make a meal. It even has a dishwasher. If you walk down the hall off the living room, you'll find the bedrooms. Let's check out the master. The first thing you'll see when you walk in is this large double-sided wardrobe with plenty of space for you to hang your clothes. This room has a floor-to-ceiling full-wall window facing the courtyard below. Looking back from the window, you'll see the queen-size bed and the ensuite bathroom. This glass front marble shower comes with 2 heads, and one of them is an oversized rain shower head. The 2nd bedroom has the same wood tile floors as the balcony, and it faces the courtyard. It also has a double-sided wardrobe for storage. Directly across the hall, you'll find the 3rd and last bedroom. With another full-size bed, this room faces the back garden and street below. It also has storage for your clothes. Right across the hall is the 2nd bathroom. It is slightly smaller than the master, but it still has a nice sized shower with a rain head.
Lastly, let's take a look outside. Once you step out, you'll see a completely paved back garden that wraps all the way around for easy walking. And finally, here is the view of the building from the outside. As you can see, each unit except for the first one has his own balcony.
This place rents for $65 a day, and the link is in the description.
And that's it, our favorite Airbnb in Kigali.
Africa!